Hello everyone, this is Eleana's Everything. Time for me to cook Harrisa-Roasted chickpea with couscous. Now you know, this is a meal from the 𝙤𝙊𝘾𝙄𝘼𝙎 which is the website. Here are the ingredients. They delivered in our house are carrots, chickpeas, red onion, lemon, harissa powder, guacamole, sour cream, Israel couscous, veggie stock concentrate, cilantro, beef crown. Well, that is the one that I'm going to cook. But up to you if you prefer like chicken breast, strips, or diced steak. But I use the beef ground. And you don't have these ingredients. They're not going to deliver the salt, kosher, the black pepper, butter, and the cooking oil. Let's cook. First, preheat oven to 425 degrees. Well, you won't see in the video that I wash and try produce, trim, peel, and cut carrots on a diagonal pieces, drain and rinse chickpeas. Well, that will be dry thoroughly with paper towels. Well, peel and cut half the onions into the thick wedges. Finally, well, that will be chop remaining onion until you have some zest and quarter lemon. We need to toss carrots in one side of a baking sheet with a drizzle of oil. Then add half of the harissa powder, salt, and pepper. Roast for 5 minutes or more. Meanwhile, in a bowl, toss chickpeas and onion wedge with a large drizzle of oil. Well, you can have the 1 teaspoon harissa powder and salt and pepper. In a small bowl, combine guacamole, sour cream, 1 teaspoon, water, and a squeeze of lemon juice to taste. Season with salt and pepper. Once carrots have roasted, remove sheet for oven. Carefully add chickpea mixture to empty side. Return to oven until veggies are tender and chickpeas are slightly crispy, which is like 15 to 30 minutes more. Melt 1 teaspoon butter in a small pot over medium-high heat. Add chopped onions, season with salt and pepper. Cook stirring until toasted, which is 1 to 2 minutes or more. While cooking ground beef, well, time to add the couscous. There will be a cup water and a big pinch of salt. Bring to a boil, then cover and reduce heat to low. Well, you need to cook until couscous is tender, which is 6 to 8 minutes. Keep covered until ready to serve. Stirring occasionally until it's brown and cooked through. It will reach 𝙤𝙊𝘾𝙄𝘼𝙎. Thoroughly chop half the cilantro. Well, pick remaining cilantro leaves from stems. And once everything is done roasting, Divide couscous between bowl and top with roasted carrots and chickpeas mixtures. Well, top with the avocado dressing and cilantro leaves. Drizzle with olive oil you want and serve with the remaining lemon wedge. I really wish I could share with you. Tag your plates with @everyplate or #everyplate. If you like this video, you can help to grow this channel. Rate the video. I will be very happy and will be help the development of my channel. Write a comment or ask me for any questions about the recipe. I will be more than happy to answer you. You can also share this video with your friends or on social networks to let them know what dish you want to cook next. Subscribe to the channel. Press the bell not to miss the new video and quick and tasty recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Eleana's everything. God bless and take care. Have a beautiful day, everyone. Bye!